Ever wished you could throw in laundry before bed and wake up to clean, dry clothes? Well, a washer-dryer combo can make that dream come true. Washer-dryer combos are space-saving and super convenient. You don't have to move clothes from the washer to the dryer. It's all in one. However, here's the catch. Drying can take longer than with a traditional dryer, and larger loads might not dry as efficiently. Plus, some models handle lint better than others, so keep that in mind. On the upside, many models come with smart features, like notifications to your phone when the cycle is done, making laundry even easier. So, should you buy one? If you're short on space and love convenience, it's worth it. But make sure you're okay with longer drying times. One of the most popular models is the GE Profile UltraFast Combo. The GE UltraFast Combo is capable of washing and drying your clothes in just 2 hours, and based on customer reviews, it's considered one of the best options on the market. Like what we share? Follow us for more insights.